everyone, and welcome to SIMmetry's tutorial series. This tutorial on building collapse will provide you with the steps to calculate and display the collapse zone for an object based on its height and area. To begin this tutorial, let us go over where the building collapse tool can be accessed. To access the building collapse tool, on the ribbon menu, click on the Analysis tab. Then in the Safety group, click on Safety Tools and select Building Collapse. The collapse tool is displayed. To calculate a building collapse, click on Create Polygon to designate the area for calculations. Place the polygon points in the 3D window by clicking on the desired locations, then right-click to complete the polygon. After the polygon has been created, click on Select High Point to set area's highest point by clicking on the required location. Finally, click on Create Collapse Zone to calculate building collapse. The output is a newly created polyline object that represents a buffer zone. This object will be added to the project tree under a collapse zone group. We went over how to calculate and display the collapse zone for an object based on its height and area in our project. This concludes the tutorial on building collapse. For more information, refer to Chapter 14, Analysis tab, and SIMmetry's user manual. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for upcoming tutorials.